This is a recent consultation with American native Amy. As a busy professional, she has difficulty with finding the proper time to exercise and diet properly while living in the bustling city of Seoul, South Korea. Dr. Hong, who studied and lived in America for years, listens carefully as she describes her dissatisfaction and frustration with the difficult pockets of persistent fatty cells, which can swell as the body's weight increases and lead to negative self-esteem. Luckily, there is a solution. The mini liposuction is far safer and less invasive than traditional full liposuction procedures. The results are clearly visible and have led to a restoration of confidence and self-esteem in Amy. After a few weeks, the swelling will go down and you will be left with stunning results.